Hi everyone and welcome back to Gold Price. Now this is the beautiful, colorful RTX 5060 Ti Ultra OC white model card. So the name, the Ultra is not part of the GeForce naming, just that this is the Ultra series, where if you look at the Ultra series, it's known for its design. It's always in white, and the Ultra design for this time around for the 50 series changed. I believe I've reviewed the 5080 card before, and it is exact of the same thing, white colored with pink colored writing, kind of like street art feel. But the difference between that and this is a dual fan model. Understand that the 5060 Ti series does have triple fan model, but the one with me here, which I've selected for my rig, is the two fan model. And by now, I think a lot of you know how the 5060 Ti performs, and this is my benchmark that I got. Really overall nice performance, other than Call of Duty, which for some reason the 9060 XT is really leading by far. But other than that, it is a nice card, even if you want to use for 4K raster performance. Pretty much there. While you use it at maximum settings, what you can do is either you can use frame gen or lower down your settings. It will work fine with 4K. But regardless, this is a good card. It's just a matter of what price point can you get it at. Now, I just saw Daniel Owen's video published a few days ago, where he found on Amazon Prime, I think, where the price of a 5060 Ti and the 9060 XT being at the same point. If that's the case, I personally would select the Nvidia card as well. Over here in Malaysia, the 5060 Ti cards are typically a few hundred RM more expensive. We're talking about 10 to 20% higher price point. It gets a little difficult to select, but generally for people who want to play games looking for price to performance and raster performance and don't care about anything else, then I think the 9060 XT would be a more compelling choice. But for people like me, I tend to favor the green camp. In what sense? Depends on my usage. In this case, like for example, I always like the efficiency part, in the sense, Nvidia cards tend to have better performance to the power. Now, you guys might want to argue on certain findings here and there. Fair enough. I think it depends on model. Like this one, to what I know, the power draw is slightly lesser than the 9060 XT, but that's just one part of it. I do distributed computing, and if you are someone who likes folding at home like what I do, so in that sense, this is a very nice card for that. The PPD, the performance level, is like a 9070 XT, but the power draw is less than half, which I saw the reading is about 140 to 160 watts, when the 9070 draws like some 320. So that's really a lot of difference in that regard. Half the power draw, still running cool at 60-ish degrees Celsius and attaining the same PPD, while my RTX 5080 on the other hand uses a power draw like a 9070 and has way more PPD, like 16 million to 20 over million range, which is really nice. So overall, what I think about this card is, I think this is a nice looking card, very colorful. Pun not intended, but it just came out of my mouth, and I just realized that the name is also colorful, and I've been pairing it with various of my colorful boards. I don't know, colorful to what I remember, it does not have an ultra model AMD board yet, which I hope they have soon. While their Intel ZA90 Ultra is not of this design, it's of the older design that matches the RTX 4070 more than the 50 series cards. I hope the design update will come about soon, but regardless, I am very pleased with this product, especially when I use it on my white build. And whether or not the AMD card is your choice or Nvidia card such as this is your choice, it really depends on what price you can get. Regardless, I'm just saying that an RTX 5060 Ti card is of no issue. I have no problem recommending at all. Again, It just boils down to the price point on what you want. All right, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and bye bye.